He's nudging my hat because I wasn't getting his grass fast enough, so he started literally like, yes? Can I help you with something? Yes, please, more snacks. Because I am beautiful and I deserve them all. Of course, yes you do, because you're a good pussy. Am I the only person who talks to animals with more love than children, generally? It rained so much where the pond used to be has come all the way out to dry land. Like literally. This whole bank here is flooded and it used to be dry where all this grass is. This lake, pond, whatever, literally flooded. Like look at this. What the hell? This ain't supposed to be a river here. I've had some angry wasp over here by my window that kept buzzing around, so I come over to find its nest, get my hose out ready to spray, and I'm like, oh, a wasp nest, and then I look again and I'm like, no, it's not a wasp, it's a family of frogs. Here's one, two, three, and little baby four. Hi there. I'm living on the support beam of my slide. How do you like that? Hello.